All right, so it's things like I'm running into now that I'm taking this car apart, redoing it. Got the roll cage out, got the 2 Sparco racing seats out, got the tank, the compressors out. Now I want to show you something that I'm going to do for future reference. That way when I go back to putting all this shit together, things will be simpler in this area at least. And as you go, you try to find ways to make other areas efficient to install. So there is a pain in the ass area when it comes to these brackets that you have to install in order to put your racing seats in. And that area is right here. And this is because there is a bolt here that sits near the console in a very nice little tuck spot. And as you see, you don't have a lot of height to put, you can't put a socket in there. You could put a ratcheting wrench in there, but still it's aggravating to get it on and off once you do. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this general area and I'm gonna look at where this bolt pretty much falls. And I can see it falls right in this section. And what I'm gonna do is draw a line not to cut into this notch, and then cut this squared section out so I could probably put an extension with a swivel or something and get to that easier. And even if it's not that easy to put a swivel or extension in there or with a socket, I have a lot more clearance to put a ratcheting wrench in there and lift up and down and get to this spot. I'm gonna do it on both of these. So I'm gonna do it on one, and then you'll pretty much get how it's gonna go from there. All right, so there we go. Now at least you have a bit more clearance. And don't forget to basically take some paint that black. And then now you have a bit more clearance to get in here and see this bolt. Because at first you had none of this. So now at least you can get in here, drop your ratchet in, and get in there a lot better than before when you didn't have this area. Before it would have been hell to try to, first of all, you drop this bolt in and then try to get your ratchet in. But now at least you have this space you can work in and see what you're doing. And that'll help you out considerably. And nobody will really ever see this because it's tucked back by the console. Paint these black to keep them from rusting, and there you go. So that's something you could do quickly, easily, cheap grinder. Get that notched out. Makes it easier to put these seats in and out so you can see what you're doing, because it's hard to see in that area with the console bunched up right there, the seat right there. Even if you scoot the seat back, now you have a glimpse, a window you can get in there and then drop that wrench in there. And it's easier to get a ratcheting open box-in wrench on and off, definitely. Especially compared this to that. Now you see, you can't see shit with this. So I hope that helps some of you. Just build it. Peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.